Oh, hello. A little bit of a different video today. Just to let you all know, we are out of money for the Volvo. Currently working on a way to resolve that. We're either going to use a flip car, make a little bit more money on the side, try and put some more funding into the Volvo, and also shopping around for the possibility of merch. Maybe it'll happen, maybe it won't. But let me know down below if you guys would be interested in Dave's Garage merch. Yeah, Volvo's going to slow down a little bit. I can pull the engine out, clean up the bay a little bit. But as far as engine mounts, exhaust plumbing, radiator, and little accessory stuff, tidying up the whole thing, we are a little short on cash. So stay tuned. We'll get things resolved one way or another, but that's all for now, I guess. Short video this week, but hey, it's easy to edit. I'll see you guys next time. This is already really stupid.